Chief Minister Conrad Sangma today said that the northeastern states may not accept the Uniform Civil Code if there is no discussion on the code. The statement came from the Chief Minister as the issue of the UCC intensifies in the region. Sangma said that they would have to see the content of the bill and then only they can comment on the matter, as there may be some provisions that northeastern states may be exempted from this code.
We have to see the content, what it is, and will they cover issues, and if they say that societies that follow matrilineal systems will be exempted. So we really don't know the content of the bill. But as I said, when we as far as the bill, the idea itself of having a uniform civil code is something that if not discussed with all stakeholders, if not discussed clearly with everybody to look into all the factors, then it's something that's very complicated, and it's something that people in the Northeast will not be able to accept.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma